Hi, I'm Johnny. Let me show you a quick tour of our JUCY Condo and show you the features that will make your adventure more enjoyable and comfortable. Here is where you plug into a powered campsite. Locate your power cord inside the storage. Attach one end to the vehicle and the other to the campsite power. Here is where your gas bottle is located. Unlock using the key. Turn the dial anti-clockwise until the tap stops. Please turn off once you have finished with it. To refill the gas, this can be done at some fuel stations. Just look for the LPG label on the petrol station sign. Here is your grey water tank, which stores all the water from the sink. To empty, remove the grey water hose and connect to the valve. Pull the handle out towards the back of the vehicle and empty at your nearest dump station. Your spare tyre is located either underneath or in front of the vehicle. Your tools are located inside the side door below the storage box, along with your freshwater hose, 240 power cord and grey water hose. This is where you fill up the fresh water. To fill, locate the freshwater hose from the storage, attach the hose to the tap and insert into the inlet. This vehicle takes 91 unleaded fuel. To open, pull the lever below the driver's wheel, unscrew the cap and start filling. The fire extinguisher is located on the side of the back seats. This is your control panel. You have 4 switches: lights, fridge, water pump and ACC, which means the USB and radio. For the lights inside your camper, turn on the light switch on the control panel. You can turn off the lights individually by pressing the indent or the switch on the light. For the fridge, flick on your fridge switch and the light inside will illuminate. For your water, turn on the water pump switch and then turn on the tap to activate the pump. Make sure you turn off the switch after you've finished. The condo comes with USB inputs as well as a cigarette lighter input. This runs off your domestic battery and can charge small electrical items. To operate the gas stove, turn on the gas from the bottle, push and turn the gas knob to full, push the igniter switch until the gas ignites. Keep holding the gas knob in for about 6 seconds and then gently release it. To use the toilet, turn on the water pump switch. To add water to the bowl, press the blue button. To flush, pull the grey lever on the side of the toilet. To empty the cassette, pull the bottom lever up and pull out. Unscrew the top cap and empty at your nearest dump station. To set up your top bed, unclip the netting. From the middle, pull the handle out towards the kitchen until the bed stops. To set up the bottom bed, pull the bottom frame from the middle and pull towards the back seats. Place a folded cushion on top of the frame. Insert the square cushion between the middle back seats. For the curtains, unclip the strap and roll down. Clip the curtains to the side panels. For the table, grab your table from the side and align the holes with the clips on the table. For the back table, unclip the side, squeeze the legs of the table and extend. That's all for today. If you need any more information, please check out our Help Hub online or the handy how-to guide in your vehicle. If you have any issues on road, please give us a call. See you later.